Hi everyone, here we've got OPPO A52 and let me show you how to set the camera timer on the following device. So all you have to do is simply open the camera app, and as you can see now we have no timer, so the photos are taken simply just after they touching the button. So if you want to set the camera timer, simply open the settings, which should be on the right upper corner, and simply in the middle we've got the timer option, and by clicking on it we will change the countdown time. So let's click on it once, and from now on we've got the timer, and your device will count down from 3 and then we'll take a photo. Now let me show you the 10 seconds, so click on this timer again, and from now on your device will count down from 10 and then it will take a photo. Fine. And simply if you want to turn off the timer, simply let's go to the settings and click on the timer again, and now we've got our timer turned off. So that's all. This is how you set the camera timer in your OPPO A52, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.